Alright, he's gonna use an all defense and stamina deck. I'm gonna use an all attack deck. Alright, so first up, got Impact Drake, 770 rush against Bitch Arrow, 960 ball.
Sure.
You guys like the setup? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Stream dash. I'm not even touching him. Oh, there we go.
Run yourself out.
Okay. No, I don't think I got this. Okay, yeah, no.
Winner, red corner. Okay, I got Phoenix Wing, 160 point against Rock Golem, 760 Hexa.
3, 2, 1. What?
You went in and then went out.
Come on, yeah, there you go.
Winner, yellow corner.
Okay.
Really? Come on!
I got swim on one, right?
Daywalker corner versus Drunk corner. Cobalt Dragoon, 560 elevate against Rhino Horn, 570 Quake.
Yeah. 3,
2, 1. Well, it's not Cobalt Dragoon, it's Black Dragoon. Come on, get him!
Prefers African American Dragoon.
Just assuming it's American. Steel, spin steel.
I mean, they're the ones who.
Insist on that, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright,
Oh,
So that's
I mean,
so
they're the ones who fuck them
So it is 3-1
to
now.
America.
okay. Okay, so now we go to shuffle.
I've had enough of this little box. I'm putting them all in my pocket.
See, nobody likes the box. Nobody likes the official box.
Alright. Cobalt Dragoon, 560 elevate against Wizard Rod, 960 ball. He threw the box away.
3, 2,
1. Ah, no, that was so close. No, come on. Get him! Big hits. I'm just gliding all around the arena and just hitting him slowly. Dead?
Surely you don't lose this, right?
I don't know. Oh, destabilize. Okay, yeah.
There you go.
Alright, so round 1 goes to me.
I'm 1.
Yeah, that's round 3.
Oh.
Alright, round 2.
Yep.
Ready?
Yeah.
Impact at the rake. Against Rhino
Horn.
Horn.
I'm going to turn it upside down. 3,
3,
2,
1.
1.
Oh, no. The Quake literally saved you from like going into the pockets. Alright, that's 1.
Kill the thing.
Okay, I got Cobalt Dragoon, you got Rock Golem?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the thing.
3, 2, 1. Wow, that was close. Get him! Get him! Don't use guns! Don't use guns! Oh, that was close. Man, this thing's good defense. Oh god, what was that? Was that a tie?
I don't fucking know.
I think that was a tie. Okay, yeah, it was a tie. So we gotta do that round again.
Oh, okay. 3,
3, 2, 1.
Damn it. Oh yeah, that's 2 for you.
You're the one who wanted a tie.
That's 1, 2. You gotta show it on the. Yeah, there you go.
3,
2, 1. Ow! They bursted! Nah, I think he just fell apart after I. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, great, it's a rematch. I'm gonna knock this out this time. 3, 2, 1. Come on, get out!
No.
There we go! Yeah! Ouch, damn it! Yeah! You hit the ceiling.
You do this flourish every time when you rip.
I do?
Yes.
Yeah.
You do like.
I mean, that's how you get the power.
Yeah, that's how you break them.
That's 3 for me.
Oh, really?
Okay, Phoenix swing against the rock. 3, 2, 1. Alright, I win. Alright, GG's. Alright,
Once again, Haru ran asserting dominance on the local population.
hey, at least the stuff didn't break.
Alright, he can go back to the bunch sack we found him at.